Alright, have you ever wondered how a tree, some of these giants are taller than your house, manages to get water all the way from the ground up to the very tip-top leaves? It's actually one of the coolest tricks in nature, and it all starts underground. So picture this. The roots of a tree are covered in tiny hairs. These little guys are like super sponges, soaking up water and minerals from the soil. But getting that water up to the leaves, that's where the real magic happens. Inside the tree, there are these super narrow tubes called xylem. Think of them like a bunch of tiny straws bundled together, running from the roots through the trunk and all the way to the leaves. The water and nutrients travel up these xylem tubes, but they're not being pushed by a pump like your heart. Instead, the tree uses something called transpiration pull. Here's how it works. When the sun shines, water on the surface of the leaves evaporates through tiny pores called stomata. As that water vapor escapes, it creates a kind of suction, almost like when you suck on a straw. This suction pulls more water up from the roots, through the xylem, and out to the leaves. But, wait, there's more. Water molecules are super clingy. They stick to each other, which is called cohesion. They also stick to the walls of the xylem tubes, which is adhesion. These forces work together, forming a continuous chain of water that can defy gravity and climb all the way up even the tallest trees. Why does all this matter? Well, this process delivers the water and nutrients the leaves need for photosynthesis. That's how trees make their food. It also helps keep the tree standing tall because water pressure inside the cells gives the tree its structure. And as a bonus, when water evaporates from the leaves, it helps cool the whole plant down. So next time you see a tree, just remember, inside there's a whole science show going on every single day.